Hi guys, nice to meet you again. Today I will show you the movements of horse. One of the characters of Shaolin 13 Paws. So, horse is not carnivore. It does not eat other animals. It just eats plants. So, but sometimes other animals will hunt him. He is the prey of lions, leopard, and the tigers. So the horse will use his legs to defend himself. And let's see. In these movements, there are mainly 3 times of kick. One with knee, one with the full foot, right foot, and another time with the tiptoe of left leg to backward. So let's show you, and also we will accompany with the paws. So this kind of paw, and the same paw as that of the leopard. Okay, let's start from the end of previous animal character, the leopard. Okay, we will turn to left and kick with the left with right toe, with right knee, and then bend the right leg and kick far away. Then kick with left leg backward. And then push left paw. And then wave right paw on the left paw. And then push right paw. Next we have 3 main movements for all the characters. Grasp chest, grasp face, grasp heart. Okay, I repeat it again. Okay, I will move from here. The distance is not enough, but I'll try. And kick with the right knee, kick with right foot, and kick with tiptoe of left leg. Push. Wait. Push. Again. So I move slowly, you will see slowly movement, like Tai Chi. Oh, this is the leopard. So sorry, I mixed the leopard. All movements can be mixed when you practice a lot of movements. Okay, so the horse is like this. Bend the right leg, kick far away, and left leg, kick backward. Push left leg, right hand also push. I move slowly again. Sorry, again. Make a mistake. So I move a little bit quickly. I move towards you again. slowly. The horse will kick 3 times. First time, second time, the third time. Like Leo. Pa. Ha. Here, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Bye bye.